Halloween spooky vibe. Uniquely patterned skull, crow and spider on the candles add a spooky vibe to Halloween house party decorations. Perfect for decorating mantel, dining table center, living room, bathroom, porch. Also the perfect Halloween gift idea for friends, parents and kids. We welcome you to Item Finder Villa. We search and find the products for your need. We do the hard work. So, you can sit back, relax and select what you really like. At the number 1 we have DIYASY Bats Wall Decor. DIYASY Bats Wall Decor, 120 PCs 3D Bat Halloween Decoration Stickers for Home Decor 4-size waterproof black spooky bats for room decor. Made of waterproof PVC. Fluttering bats decals will set the scene through October indoors and outdoors. Wow your guests and trick-or-treaters with these amazing bat decorations. Halloween bats decorations use upgraded version of glue, good viscosity, not easy to fall off. Bats packed flat. DIY them into different wing angles then tape and stick. Fold bat wings by the crease, peel a appropriate size glue. Fix the glue to the base of the bath stickers. Peel white back paper off and it is ready. Fit any smooth and dry surface like painted wall glass eel. Remember to clean the dust before applying. Wonderful Halloween decorations. Our 3D bat wall decor is black color. The color and shape is very suitable for Halloween scene. It's a particularly great project to do with kids. They will enjoy making the bats and using them to decorate walls, doors, tables, front porches and windows. Easy to remove. If you want to remove or replace the scary bat sticker, heat it with a hairdryer and take it off easily. The DIYASY focus on providing quality holiday decorations that bring warmth and joy to your holiday season. Including Halloween, Christmas, Easter, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's and more. Here, you can always find your own warmth and need. At the number 2 we have huge spider web lights up with purple lights. Vivid and scary design. 50-inch giant spider with red eyes. The spider web is specially designed with 400 limited super bright purple lights. A clever combination of purple lights, especially at night. This purple lighted giant spider web with spiders will be your Halloween bombshell. Jack-o'-lantern purple lighted spider web set includes one giant lighted purple triangular spider web, 20 by 18 feet, one giant 50 inches fake spider, one hook, for drainage, 5 nails, for ground, one remote control with 8 light modes. The huge size makes it look realistic from a distance. This house decoration will be the best decoration for your Halloween haunted house, one set for all your needs. Easy to decorate and reusable. The spider web legs can be freely folded the way you want, with purple lights, waterproof IP65. Very strong and durable, easy to fix on walls, front porches and lawns to withstand extreme weather. Easily folded and stored for next Halloween, just what Halloween decorating needs. At the number 3 we have DIY Halloween Party Tabletop Decor. DIY Halloween Party Tabletop Decor. Create a fun and relaxed place setting. Table runner measures 14 by 72 inch and seats 4 to 6 people. View size chart within images to decide what size is needed for your table. DIY Halloween Party Tabletop Decor. How to set your dining table for Halloween. 100% cotton simply wash on gentle cycle. Begin with a tablecloth that suits the style of your haunted house. Spiders and skulls to delight your guests. Add a table runner for more pattern. Serve your guests on this beautiful placemates keeps your table clean and can add more interest. Finally, napkin rings complete the spooky look. Additionally, you can create a chic centerpiece with a wreath or lanterns. Discover more from DIY. DIY offers an assortment of quality home and kitchen products including tablecloths, table runners, cloth napkins, napkin rings, placemats, dish towels, oven mitts and potholders. Click the DIY link at the top of this page to explore more. Halloween fun year after year. Create a spooky table setting with decorative pumpkins, spiders, and skulls to delight your guests. At the number 4 we have SHYMERY Halloween Decorations Indoor. SHYMERY Halloween Decorations Indoor. Halloween candles with remote timer. Halloween spooky vibe. Uniquely patterned skull, crow and spider on the candles add a spooky vibe to Halloween house party decorations. Perfect for decorating mantel, dining table center, living room, bathroom, porch. Also the perfect Halloween gift idea for friends, parents and kids. Auto timer mode and 10-button remote. Easily turn flameless candles on or off. Set timers, adjust brightness and modes with the multi-function remote. 2/4, 6/8 H timing modes can meet your different needs. No action required, cycle every 24 hours. Add smoky atmosphere, longer lasting, 45+ days realistic flame flickering 10-button remote and timer. Long lighting time. Each Halloween candle is powered by 2 AA batteries, not included, high-quality energy-saving LED light, which can provide continuous lighting for more than 10 days. In the case of the timer, it can even reach 20 days. Thank you so much for supporting Item Finder Villa. Please don't forget to like and share. And follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest.